What is mudra? How is it helpful to us? Mudras helps to create electromagnetic currents within the body which balance various constituting elements and restore health. The joining of fingers creates an effect on the human body. Mudra is a gesture that acts as an energetic seal of authenticity. Moreover, it also improves sleep pattern, increases energy in the body, and elevates lower backache. This mudra helps to cure insomnia and improves concentration and memory power. Regular practice of these mudra can eliminate all psychological disorders like anger, depression, stress, and anxiety. Lotus mudra relaxes and stabilizes the mind, treats ulcer and fever, creates a more loving attitude. Surabhi mudra, all glands will function better, acidity is pacified immediately, menopause problem are cured. Prana mudra makes us to feel energized, improves the vision of eyes, strengthens the immune system. Enlightenment mudra. Murti mudra leading to greater relaxation, antidote for a busy mind. Kanishta mudra normalizes the high blood pressure, it relieves nausea, constipation and indigestion, balances the water content in the body. Kubera mudra gives wealth. Dharma Chakra Mudra calms the mind, encourages a positive attitude, concentration power will be increased. Hakini Mudra used to sharpen the brain helps to improve concentration, promotes the cooperation between the right-left hemisphere of the brain, beneficial for children suffering from autism. Yoni Mudra relieves from menstrual pain, menopause problem can be solved, calms nerve system, awakens the kundalini. Vine Mudra, hypertension. So it relieves hypertension practicing 15 minutes. Varuna Mudra, it brings a lustre and glow to your face. Can help in preventing appearance of pimples, cure itchiness, helps in overcoming the dryness of the mouth and heals cracked lips. Detoxification mudra detoxifies and removes all the toxins out of the body, cleanses and purifies you mentally, physically and spiritually. Helps to get rid of bad memories, bad habit, dislikes, negativity and fear. Change pain, Varuna mudra for blood, stomach, skin, mouth, paralysis and joint pain. Back mudra, severe back pain can be removed. The left hand is applied Gyan mudra, therefore it improves wisdom and intelligence. Are you dealing with overweight? Try Surya mudra. Focus on fat loss, not weight loss. One solution for many problems is Prithvi mudra. Hair loss, obesity, fitness, cold and cough, mouth and brain, skin, fever and diabetes. Prithvi mudra for hair loss. Naga mudra helps to develop physical strength, brings clarity to the mind and makes the mind to be active, helps to relieve from tension. Surya mudra for weight loss. Vajra mudra stimulates the blood circulation, reduces the restlessness and dizziness caused by low BP, helps to skip stimulants like bipolus, cigarette and tobacco. Stomach ailments reduces all disorders in the stomach, helpful to relieve from chest pain, reduces pain in knee, joint and shoulder. Vayu mudra. Gyan Mudra reduces stress, improves concentration, reduces depression level, helps for better sleep. Ganesh Mudra for shoulder pain. Thanks for watching.